I feel like when I've seen the crochet method in the past, for me, it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. For other people, like maybe yes. So this is from Nadula Hair. They have started constructing their vpart wigs with these breathable caps. It's a little bit different than the previous way that they constructed their caps. So the main difference between the construction of the caps is that now, of course, there is space between each weft, which makes the cap breathable. Of course, when they hit me up, like, do you want to try it? I was like, yes, let's go ahead and do this collaboration. So this video is sponsored by Nadula. This is 22 inches of their Jerry Curly, and I'm gonna do a new installation method this time, a method that I haven't tried before. I'm going to do the crochet method. I'm gonna really take my time with this and see if I can get it to look a little bit more natural for my liking. I wanted to show y'all my braiding pattern based off how I'm going to be doing this crochet method, because I am doing no leave out. I did 2 tiny braids right here, and then of course just bigger flat straight backs for the rest of the hair. Now first, before I do any crocheting, I am going to brush this hair out. I am using a very tiny crochet needle because I only want to pull through a little bit of hair at a time. So here's what it looks like with just one side done. And of course, once I finish up the look and define the curls, it's gonna look even better. So now I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, so right now it's just okay. I mean, I could wear it like this, but it definitely needs a little bit of tweaking in the part area. I have all the crocheting done, so now I'm gonna add some mousse, and then I'm going to see if I can make it do what it do. So this is the finished look after the curls have dried. I thought that I was going to do some teasing, but honestly, I think it looks fine just like this. This is my first time trying the crochet method, and I will say that I'm really pleased with how it turned out. Y'all let me know what y'all think.